people, Logan 500 here with today's video. I am back, just so you know, and today's video is top 5 video game handguns. As you probably see from the title, it's somewhere on down. Yeah. But anyway, without any doubt. Oh wait, no, before I actually start moving off the rules first. One weapon per franchise, and if you can't get footage of the gun, like say it's a gun I can't get footage of, or that gun that's extremely close to it, but the gun that I want to do will also actually get the credit as well. So yeah, let's start the video. So on the number 5 we have the Atlas 45 pistol from Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. It's a standard grade pistol basically.
Time extended.
Okay, on number 4 we have the cannon from Far Cry 4. This is just perfect revolver. It can do a lot of damage. Okay, in number 3 we have the T62 Q, also known as the T. And also has number 2, Asshole Blaster. I know you have this is Far Cry 4, HS-77. Closest guy I find that resembles it is a high-powered laser blaster, but the HS-77 one from the gameplay, or your Hansel 77. The description for the gun is, this gun will show you shoot first. Pretty sure that's also the rest of Star Wars, so that is Hansel's blaster, guys. And number 1, board on this too. Just want to get you like that. Yeah.
This is the power of a siren.
Really powerful. That's about the thing. I don't know why I put Call of Advanced Warfare button.